Welcome to the final lecture of our Introduction to Systems Thinking series. I hope you have enjoyed this journey as much as I have, and that you are feeling confident and empowered with your newfound knowledge of systems thinking. Today, we will be reviewing the key concepts we have covered, exploring the value of incorporating systems thinking into our approach to decision-making, problem-solving, and communication, and looking at how systems thinking can be applied in practice. First, let's recap the key concepts of systems thinking. Systems thinking is an approach that looks at the big picture, considering the interconnections and interdependencies between different parts of a system. It helps us understand how changes in one part of a system can impact the whole system, and how to make decisions that will result in positive outcomes for the system as a whole. Next, let's consider the value of systems thinking. By incorporating systems thinking into our approach, we can improve our problem-solving skills, enhance our communication, and increase our creativity. Systems thinking encourages us to think outside the box, to consider multiple perspectives, and to make decisions based on the long-term impact of our actions. Now, let's talk about applying systems thinking in practice. Systems thinking can be applied in many different real-world situations, including both our personal life and the workplace. For example, in our personal life, we can use systems thinking to understand the impact of our actions on the environment and make decisions that promote sustainability. In the workplace, we can use systems thinking to understand the interconnections between different parts of a business and to make decisions that will result in positive outcomes for the company as a whole. Finally, let's consider the future of systems thinking. Systems thinking is a rapidly growing field, and it is likely to continue to evolve and impact various fields and industries in the future. As our understanding of complex systems improves, we will be able to make more informed decisions and promote positive change in the world. In conclusion, systems thinking is a powerful approach that can help us make better decisions, communicate more effectively, and find creative solutions to complex problems. I hope you have found this introduction to systems thinking valuable, and that you will continue to incorporate systems thinking into your personal and professional lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I wish you all the best as you continue to explore the exciting field of systems thinking.